Hi readers, before we begin today's lesson, I want you to look at all of these words on the screen and tell me what you notice. I hope you've noticed that all of these words begin with the prefix pre. All of the words begin with P-R-E, which is the prefix pre. Just take a look at these words. We have pre-mix, pre-test, predetermine, pre-cook, pre-arrange, pre-made, preload. All of these words begin with the prefix pre. Is what we will focus on today. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to decode and examine words with the prefix pre. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to read and really examine words closely with the prefix pre. A prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word in order to form a different word. A prefix is a group of letters at the beginning of the word in order to form a different word. The prefix pre is always in front of a word. A prefix comes at the beginning of the word. The suffix comes at the end of the word, and the prefix comes at the beginning of a root word. Learners, a prefix, there are many different types of prefixes, but I want you to remember that a prefix is a word part that is added to the beginning or the front of a root word that changes the meaning of the root word or the base word. When a prefix is added to the beginning of a word, the new word has a different meaning. Pre is a prefix that means before. Pre is a prefix that means before. Let's look at this word prepay. Let's read the word prepay. Say it again, prepay. Well, we can all recognize the prefix pre is in the word prepay. So prepay means to pay before. Let's read this sentence. My teacher had to prepay for our class trip. Readers, pre, let's circle the word pre and underline the word pay. Let's circle the word pre and underline the word pay in prepay. Take a moment and write this sentence in your lexicon notebooks. And make sure you circle the prefix pre, and underline the word pay. What do you think prepay means? If you remembered, we said to prepay means to pay before. Readers, let's take a moment and read the words that are on the screen. Preview, pre-cook, preschool, pre-order, pre-treat. All of these words have the prefix, you guessed it, pre in it. Preview, pre-cook, preschool, pre-order, pre-treat. Remember, the prefix pre means before. Readers, pre is a prefix that means before. It's the prefix that means before. And when you see a word that starts with pre, you'll know it often implies or it means an action or an event that happened before another. Take a few minutes and write the meaning of each word that begins with pre. Let's take a look at these words. Preview, pre-cook, preschool, pre-order, pre-treat. Take your lexicons, make sure you number each word as well, and write the meaning of each word. Remember, the prefix pre means before. Hello, Smarties. So you just took a few minutes to write down the meaning of the words that I gave you in your lexicon notebooks. Well, here are the words and their meaning. Preview means to view before. Pre-cook means to cook before. Preschool means a school before. Pre-order means to order before. Pre-treat means to treat before. Please check each word and their meaning in your lexicon. I know you did a great job. Learners, you did a great job decoding and examining words with the prefix pre. Excellent work. Bye for now.